Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a neck wrap comb figure 8. Knowing how to do a neck wrap or a neck wrap push spin would be really helpful. Link in the description below to make it easy for you to do that. Familiarity with the figure 8 would be useful too, but not essential. And again, I'll stick that in the links below in the description. So jumping in, the move looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. Let's break it down. It starts off man's left, lady's right. We go semicircle back to 2 hands. It looks like a normal neck wrap or neck wrap push pin to start with. We do a travelling return into a double cross. We then could carry on changing sides, but we're not going to on this occasion. We're just going to send the lady into a turn. The left hand slides up to the shoulder, the right hand comes round. We're getting the lady all the way around to face, and we're going to go back the other way. Some people will flatten the hand. Because I'm not going to do the push pin variation, I'm not going to bother with that, but you could. So from here, we now start the lady in a return direction. We're coming around. The left hand is coming up and over the guy is turning right. The right hand is going over the lady. The left hand goes down and out of the way while you do that. And once that hand's in position, we can then lead the return with the left hand, taking the right arm out of the way, and we are done. So let's think about that from the other side, which is going to be this way, and do numbers. So we go back 1, travelling return 2, looking 3, turn 4, facing 5, lady goes round 6, guy goes round 7, combing 8, returning 1, and back 2. So let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, neck wrap, comb figure 8. We go a back, travelling return, double cross, turn the lady, and look. Lady goes round, guy goes round, comb the lady, return the lady, and you're done. That's the whole thing. Hope you find that one to be good fun out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, subscribing promotes the channel. So big thank you to people who do that. And notifications, if you have them turned on, means when you hit the bell, you get told every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end comes up in one of the windows in the last few seconds of the video, which will be a link to a music video, which is a tune that is good to practice this to. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.